we talk about how to use Apple Pay at Walgreens. First, log into Apple Pay account on your smartphone. Second, choose your payment method. Apple Pay allows you to connect multiple payment methods to your account, including credit and debit cards, as well as direct links to your bank account. This flexibility allows for easy switching between payment methods. Additionally, you can connect your Apple Card to your Apple Pay account and receive cashback rewards for purchases made with the Apple Card. However, Apple promotes its own products and services and encourages users to use the Apple Card with Apple Pay. 3. Hold the iPhone close to the terminal to check out. When checking out at Walgreens, you need to inform the cashier that you want to pay using Apple Pay. Hold your iPhone close to the terminal to receive the signal and confirm the purchase on your phone. Once the payment is successfully proceeded, you can collect your item and leave the store.